I hope you've all been enjoying the show. Technology is a booming industry, and did you know that St. Philip's College offers a unique program specifically designed to hone this skill set? Kristen Urban found out all about their Computer Numerical Control program.
I'm joined by the St. Philip's College Manufacturing Technologies Program Coordinator, Anthony Broderick. How are you doing today?
Doing great. It's a great morning this morning.
Anthony, this is such a neat program. Can you tell us just a little bit more about the Computer Numeric Control Manufacturing program and what it offers?
Well, here at St. Philip's, we like to teach to industry standard, and one of the biggest demands out there is fabrication technicians, and they specialize specifically in machining. We do both the conventional manual machining, like what's behind us, and later on you'll be seeing the computer numeric controlled automated machining as well. What they'll be learning is how to fabricate various precision parts that we use in all of our industries around San Antonio, our diesel, our automotive, and our aviation, even our military.
I love it. This is so neat. And speaking of what's right behind us, we're in your lab right now. For students at home who might be interested in this program, what are we seeing and what all goes into this lab?
What you're seeing here is actually one of the largest machine labs for training, actually in the Texas region area.
Wow.
So right here on this side, what we have is what's called our turn centers or lathes to our left side, and to our right is our vertical mills. The vertical mills, we can make various components for our aviation, diesel, and automotive, such as we were just talking recently about maybe expanding our diesel program so that we have machinists specific to just automotive and diesel needs.
This really is just so neat. Now, for students at home who want to know more about how long this program takes, how long does it take to accomplish it?
Depending on the certification that they go for, we have what are considered one-year certifications, but with summer classes, we can do that within about 6 to 9 months if they're really dedicated and we have the scheduling just right. But typically we do have the associate's program that a lot of students go for, and that can be done within, about 1.5 to 2 years maximum.
Anthony, this really just sounds like an incredible program here. I'm dying to check out some of these machines. Do you think you could show me some of them?
Sure, let me get you your safety glasses.
Okay, awesome, let's go. Thank you so much for the safety glasses, Anthony.
You're welcome.
What machine are we looking at right now?
This is actually one of those computer numerically controlled machines, CNC mill, also referred to as a VMC. This one's actually by Haas. It's a mini mill Model 2. So there's a lot of conventional manual machining that's done on our manual side, but now this is where we automate the machining process and we teach machinists to become more efficient and more productive. This is one of the most common systems out there. There's always a shop that has a CNC machine out there from some of our bigger partners. And what we have here is just a basic warm-up program set up. We'll teach our students all the codes of how to read this language and also how to program with it. This is also just a standard program to help make sure this machine is operating properly and safely. So one of our biggest things is safety first and then precision.
This really is just so neat. Now for people at home, they've heard about this program, now they've seen it hands-on and they want to check it out. Where can they go to sign up and find more information?
The first place I would go is our main website with SPC. So alamo.edu, look up St. Philip's, and you can go ahead and put in CNC or manufacturing and our program will show up and it'll guide you to our admissions and enrollment process.
Thank you so much for your time today, Anthony. I know people are going to want to check this out.
Oh, great. Thanks for coming.